Hey guys, welcome back. So let's start today's session. We'll start with sales office. What is sales office? So basically, sales office represent a geographical, regional, physical location from which the sales activity are managed. So kind of we manage the sales activity. Okay, so let's say in a business you might have a various sales office. You might have heard if you are working. There is a Mumbai sales office. Your business is over pan India, there you might hear Bangalore based on the locations kind of. Let's say in this scenario we have sales office in Mumbai, Delhi, Bangalore and Kolkata. Okay, so let's define this thing. I'll go with one only. Okay, one more thing, while defining or while working you should have one Excel file with you. So whatever till now you have defined, so till now we have gone with the sales organization, distribution channel and division. Now we'll define sales office. I'll just use this code ZS01. Okay, in actual scenario, what you can do, you can just let's say our sales organization is starting with we have taken the ZA01. What we can do, we can take this and let's say if you let's say in Maharashtra you might have multiple sales office. So what there is what this is a logic which will be helpful. So the code when you define the plant for Maharashtra is 13. So you can start with Z131. So people use this way, Z131, Z132 till 9 you can create it. If this is the scenario when you have less than 10 plants, let's say when there is a scenario when you have more sales of it, which is very rare, so you can just start with Z and you can take any code like M, or you can just make a series like kind of Z1 and start with 01. Okay, so it totally depends on the business, how vast your business is. So based on that, you can just uh, help the business team to decide the code, even though they will decide and they will tell you. But you can just suggest in this way. It will be easy in report analysis further for them only. Okay. So today I'll use SAP FIORI to set up this thing. So process will be same. You can just go with SAP GUI, and I'm just going with FIORI. Okay. Now same thing. SAP reference IMG. Let me just zoom it. Okay. One more thing. Full screen should be visible properly now. It's to zoom. Okay. Now, now what we need to do? We need to define the sales office. So we'll go with enterprise structure definition. Now sales and distribution. Here we go. We have the sales office over here. Just click. Okay. Now the code which we have decided, it was, let's see here. So we'll go with the same code like we have uh, in this whole business process. We'll just go with single sales office. So we'll replicate ZS01. Okay. So firstly, you can check whether it is there or not. No, it's not there. So always just copy and create it. Okay, I'll just copy. Let me just go back. Sorry. Okay, copy it. So I need to click over here. What with reference one. Let's say I will copy from here. Copy as, you can just take any one. I'll just rename it ZA01 by sales office. That's it. Copy. Done. You can check the details. So I've already filled the details to save some time. Okay, let me just save it. Done. Now, so let's define sales group. Okay, let me just go there. So we'll in a similar logic, we'll go with Z01. Let me just check whether it is there or not. Z01, it's there. So already I've defined. So uh, you can just create it. Even though you don't need to copy this thing, it's fine. Okay, because this don't have any address also. Okay. So overall, when we check the sales office, this sales office will have address, but the sales group it won't have the address. Okay. Now This is a comparison what I have written, the difference between sales organization and sales office. So whatever the let's say we want to change the product price. So all this decision will be taken over here in sales office, sales organization, and execution will take over here in sales office. Uh, Overall responsible for selling the products and service, execution and monitoring of local sales activities. So kind of you can just go through this. Okay, let me just assign it. Okay, so next step, what we'll do, now we have defined all this thing. Now we'll just close it, go to assignment, sales and distribution. Okay, now as of now we have not defined the company code, so we are just keeping. In next class we will touch this thing. Now we have already defined the sales organization, distribute channel, division, sales office, sales group as of now. Now we'll assign each and everything. Skipping first one, we'll assign the distribution channel to sales organization. So what sales organization we are having? We are having 001 and distribution channel Z1, Z0. Okay, one more important point over here. So let's say you might be working in any project, support, rollout, any project. Okay, sorry, not support, rollout implementation project. So in that scenario, initially FI will be doing their work, MM will be doing their work. So you should start with your parts first. Then you can just make the complete assignment. Then once they have done their configuration, then you can start them with that particular thing. So always what you should do, just define these three things and catch in a one single tier, or you can just so just try to limit the number of config in a single tier. So it will be helpful a lot. Okay. Okay. Now I'll just check ZA01. So already last time I've copied the sales organization. So whatever with reference to particular sales organization, so whatever the entries will be there, it will be automatically copied. So in actual also, whatever the additional you don't need, you need to delete it because you have copied. So unnecessary changes will be moved in PRD. So you can delete it. Okay. Let me just save it and do any changes. Just save it, come out and go inside. Okay, now I'll just click on position ZA01. Okay, nothing is there. Now click on new entry. I'll just go with ZA01. Okay, the distribution channel, what we have taken, we were having, I think, two distribution channel, Z1 and Z0. One is for food, one is for zero, one is common division. So we'll go with the Z1 first, hit enter. Okay, now go with ZA01 another. Like this is the way like we are selling. We are selling to distributor through distributor, and this there is another way, common way. Okay, now save it. Okay, click on back. Now next part. Okay, again we'll check ZA01. So already it's too many are there. I'll just delete it. Okay, save it. Here the tier pop-up I have in back from backend I have just stopped it. Okay, in actual whenever you do any changes it will pop up. Okay, now we'll go with the new entry. I'll go with ZA01. The division which we have taken is Z1. Let me just check. It's Z1. Okay, just hit enter. Only one division. That's it. I'm going back. Okay, now division is assigned to sales organization. Now we'll set up the sales area. Okay, just check if any existing entry or deleted. So already it's there. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, almost deleted. Save it. Go again. Now click on new. So ZA01. Firstly, we are selling for the distributor. Okay. Now the product which we are selling, it's food product. Okay. Now that much only, just save it. You can just take another one also, Z01, Z0, or you can go with a single sales, so this sales area also, it's fine. I'm just saving it. Okay, it's done. Click on back. Now, now assign sales office to sales area. Just check any entry, CA01. Yeah, it's deleted. Save it. Okay, new entry, ZA01. Even though you can skip it, in actual business, you should be doing this thing. That's why I'm doing here. Distribution channel is Z1 we have taken. Now the division, will go with Z1. Okay, the sales office is ZA01. Okay, save it. We just take another one, Z0, Z1, ZA01. Save it. Okay, now we'll assign sales group to sales office. Click over here, check any entries, ZA01. Nothing is there. Click on new entry, ZA01, sales group. We have taken Z01. Okay, hit enter, save it. So with this, we have completed till sales office assignment. In next class, we'll define company code, plant, and further entities to complete the org structure completely. Okay, that's all till now. You have watched the video till now. It means you have find the video useful. Kindly click on the like button. If you have any doubt, just you can just comment it. Thank you. Bye bye.